Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Crow. Sweet. Dog. All right. Who steals cheese and hates cats? Mouse. Oh, yeah. Cat. You go. Who has colorful wings? Butterfly. Bravo. Who used to be the fastest mail carriers? Pigeon. Beautiful. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Dog. Dogs are well known to be man's best friend. The animals are very loyal guardians and kind companions. They never betray their owners and serve them with all their heart. People use dogs for hunting as well. They can smell prey and track it down very easily. Crow. Crows can be found pretty much everywhere. They nest in towns, cities, and villages. They are very smart. For example, when a crow finds a nut, it knows to drop it on something hard in order to crack it. Pigeon. Pigeons used to be the fastest mail carriers. People trained them to return home after a message had been delivered. There are many, many different kinds of pigeons. A lot of pigeons live in cities, and you can see them in squares or parks, walking around, searching for food. Cat. Cats are very common to have at home. They are very lovable and cute. They are also great at catching mice. That's why captains would take cats on a ship to protect the food from mice. Butterfly. A butterfly is a beautiful, bright, and colorful insect. They are very hard to spot because they can pretend to be a flower. Every butterfly starts out as a caterpillar before it turns into a beautiful butterfly.